Okay, here's an Alex problem that's talking about different phases of matter and what's the organization down at the atomic level at different temperatures. It's using carbon monoxide in this case, and it's saying if we had this super duper powerful microscope that was very powerful, that we could even see individual atoms, what would they look like at different temperatures? And so that's what it's asking us to recognize and understand. And so it tells us what the melting point of carbon monoxide is, and that's minus 205. So that means degrees Celsius. And so that means that things that are colder than minus 205 are going to be in a solid state. When atoms are in a solid state, then their organization is it's very organized. When it becomes into a liquid state, which is between minus 205 and minus 192, then there is less order to it. We know liquids still assume the shape of the container that they're in, so that's it. And then finally, when things go into the gas phase, there is no long-range order to that. And so it's asking us a different temperature. So let's look at minus 152. So at minus 152 degrees C, then we can see that that is higher than the boiling point. So things have to be in the gas phase. Carbon monoxide has to be in the gas phase. And so let's see what options we have there. That doesn't look like carbon monoxide at all, so that can't be it. Okay, this could be carbon monoxide. And see how things are actually quite ordered here generally. It's assuming the shape of a container, so we can keep that in mind. That's not carbon monoxide as well. That is not carbon monoxide either. And so here Alex is trying to show us this does not have long range order. Things are in a gas phase, and so I believe that for minus 152, this is what Alex is wanting us to see. Minus 210, things are in a solid state. Okay, so it's a solid, and so this is not carbon monoxide, so that can't be it. This is carbon monoxide. It is in a very ordered state. I believe that this is going to be it, because it looks like a solid to me, and minus 210 things should be a solid. That looks kind of like the gas phase to me. That looks like a liquid phase to me, and that is not carbon monoxide. And so I'm going to put this. And so the last one, minus 197, you can see that's in a liquid phase. And so that's not carbon monoxide. That's a solid. That is not carbon monoxide. That's carbon monoxide probably in a gas. And so this last one is probably carbon monoxide in a liquid phase. So we can answer the others that'll be similar to this. A is going to be a gas, B is going to be a solid, the temperature says that, and C is going to be a liquid. So we can go ahead and click on check, and it tells us that we're correct in trying to mimic what Alex wants us to see.